I gotta say, I like the packaging. Very nice. Ha 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 ha. Okay, so I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are wondering what is going on here. So I recently reached out to the folks at Big League Lawn, asking them if they would send me one of their top-of-the-line lawn stripers for my 22-inch Toro recycler, and in exchange I promised them that I would go ahead and give them my honest opinion on it coming up here in the lawn season. First impressions, it's a serious piece of kit. I'm really looking forward to putting it through its paces in the 2019 lawn season. What's going on, guys? I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Welcome back to another weekend in the lawn. I'm sorry I'm not outside this weekend. Once again, it's bitterly cold, and honestly, I don't feel like taking a chance with that. Anyway, I'd like to talk to you guys about something that happened earlier this week, and that is with the temperatures. We recently had a warm spell come up into the high 50s, and I'm talking about air temperatures, not soil temperatures. And because of that, it gives me an opportunity to talk to you guys about something that a lot of you guys are going to be asking me about now, and that is crabgrass pre-emergence. Should I put down my crabgrass pre-emergent right now, especially if the soil temperature hits 55 degrees at this time frame? And my answer to you would be no. The reason I say that is because you have to realize a couple things here. Number one, just because the air temperatures outside are 50 degrees doesn't mean that the temperatures of your soil are going to be the same. They're definitely going to be in the high 30s, low 40s at most. Even if your soil temperatures hit 55 degrees, you have to make sure that they stay there, meaning that once they hit it, they cannot go back down to the high 30s, low 40s. They have to stay within that 50 to 55 degree range, especially if they fluctuate. It has to be very little and it has to stay consistent. Make sense? So the best way to tell that your soil temperatures are good for crabgrass pre-emergence, again, is to make sure that they not only hit the 55 degree mark, but that they stay there. And the best way to do that would be to use software like Greencast online. For those of you guys who don't know, Greencast soil temperatures it's basically an online soil thermometer that allows you to type in your city, your state, your address, and it'll tell you your current soil temperatures right now in real time. And it also gives you 3 different readings right here. You have today's average, the 5-year average, and the 10-year average. Today's average, that's where your soil stands today, what the average was all throughout the day. 5 years, what the soil temperatures were this time of year in the last 5 years. And this down here, this is what the soil temperature averages around in the last 10 years this time of year. So best way to know that your soil temperatures will be ready to go is when you notice today's average and the 5-year average lining up, because I want you to think of this little gap here like a fluctuation, okay? The bigger the gap between today and the 5-year average, the more severe of a fluctuation you're going to have. If we go on the calendar here and look at last year, let's go look at April 25th. This is April 25th of last year. In this case, you'll be able to tell that today's average is cooler than the 5-year average. Now, what I want you guys to realize is that we did have an unexpected cold snap last year. What I want you guys to realize is that once the 5-year average and today's average both read 55 degrees, then that's how you know you're in the perfect window to put down your crabgrass pre-emergent and that you're not going to have any fluctuations in the soil temperatures. So this past Wednesday, the outdoor air temps were in the 50s and the soil temperatures were still in the low 30s. However, the ground was definitely soft and the grass crowns were soft as well. You could walk on it, it wouldn't hurt anything. And I'm sure a lot of you guys are going to ask me, well, if I can't put down my crabgrass pre-emergent, is there anything I could do right now to help the lawn? The answer is yes. I recommend you get out and you do a little bit of light raking, especially if you recently had about a foot of snow accumulation on your lawn along the edges with a little bit of foot traffic here and there. You're going to notice some matted areas resulting from that. So a good thing to do would be to get out there and do some light raking. Now, as far as the light raking, the goal is we're not trying to remove anything, we're not trying to pull anything out. All we're trying to do is stand the turf up so that we can get some more oxygen, some more airflow down into the soil to help decrease the probability of disease in the spring. go, here we go, here we go. Jacob Hall, you are the winner, my friend. Here's the gas can right here. Not only did I promise you to get a free gas can, but you're also going to get a signature from Silverback and myself, just as a way to show how much we appreciate you. There you go, brother. Don't know what that means, hopefully. All right, good deal. Congratulations to the winner of the contest, Jacob Hall. We will be getting this sent out to you. Anything else you want to add?
Congrats, buddy.
So at the time that this video has been posted, Jacob, I will have replied to your comment, and from there we can get you taken care of and get this shipped out. And overall, I just want to say a big thank you to all of you who have participated in the contest. I really appreciate you guys. Especially a big thanks to the folks at Surecan for giving me this opportunity to give back to my community and do something good. With that, I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. If I don't see you guys next time, you're gonna be dominated.